Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get a battlefield memory from the 60 virtual Dokkan ultimate class in Dragon Ball Z Dokkan battle. So the new virtual Dokkan ultimate class is on. This is the 60 edition. I made this video is for new player that are beginners and still confused how you can get this. Tap the Baba shop or exchange feature, go to the treasure, tap the treasure and scroll to the right, and this one, battlefield memory. So you can get this a battlefield memory from the event of this ultimate class. Tap the ultimate class and this one, virtual Dokkan ultimate class. You can tap the information detail here. So this is the 60th edition. You can get these battlefield memories, and also you can get some LR unit to exchange like this. So just tap the start, and this require 112 character. So this is for intermediate. If you are not yet have until 112 character, you cannot challenge this event. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click text button below. Enjoy the game.